Hello friends, so welcome to this new session. So today we are going to discuss recursion, okay, and we are going to discuss a simple problem. So what is the problem? So the problem is we have to print numbers from 1 to n. So what we need to print is, suppose we are given n is equal to 5, what I need to print is 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Alright, so how would we go about this? So this is one of the very simple problems in recursion where we need to print numbers in increasing order. Okay, so how to think about this? Okay, so what we need to do is, can we do this work recursively? So what it means is, if I have to print numbers from 1 to say n, can I say I have to print numbers from 1 to n minus 1 and then the number n? Okay, so my work can actually be said as, so printing numbers from 1 to n is actually can be divided into two parts. One is wherein I am printing numbers from 1 to n minus 1 and then finally I am printing number n. So this is the way that we can approach the problem. So this problem can very easily be solved using recursion. Okay, so what do I have to do in this case? Okay, so what I have said is, so if my function is print n, wherein I have to print numbers from 1 to n, what I'll do is, I'll print numbers till n minus 1 and then finally I will print or display n on the screen. So these are two things that I have to do. I have to simply, if I have to print numbers from 1 to n, I simply have to call print numbers from up till n minus 1. Okay, and then at last I have to display the number, but I also have to stop somewhere. Okay, so because print n will call print n minus 1, then this will call print n minus 2. So n minus 1, then n minus 2. So it has to stop somewhere. So where do you think it should stop, or what should be the base case? Maybe what I can do is, I can say if n equals 0, I don't have to do anything. Okay, so if n equals 0, if n is equal to 0, maybe I don't have to do anything and I can return. Otherwise, I'll call print n minus 1, which will go and print numbers from 1 to n minus 1, and finally I will print the last number which is left, which is n. Alright, so this is one of the very easiest problem wherein we can use recursion, and what I've seen is, so this would be my base case. This is the base case wherein the simplest case in which I would return, this is a recursive call. This is a recursive call, and at last this is the small part which I have to do. So I have a base case, a recursive call, and a small part that I have to calculate or complete, which includes displaying n on the screen. Alright, so hopefully this is a very easy problem, one of the simplest problem to solve using recursion. So hopefully you'll be able to do it. Thank you.